If you are vibe coding, you should at least do it right. And with the Claude skill I'm going to show you today, it is easier than ever. Stay with me for the next few minutes and you will change the way you use Claude Code forever. When you ask AI to build you an app or a feature, it dives into the implementation immediately most of the time. Yes, there is a plan mode in Claude Code, for example, or you can explicitly ask it to make a plan or tech design first before writing code and then iterate on it before letting the model to implement it. But this does not always work. Personally, I forget to do that, or I'm just lazy, thinking this one is going to be quick and no need to plan, and then finding myself making 20 follow-up prompts. Second, even if model asks you clarifying questions, it is not always enough, and sometimes you are just not sure what do you want, especially if you are not a programmer or if your primary stack is different. And the third problem, AI assistants try to build everything at once instead of breaking work into smaller, manageable pieces. And then you also need to review and test the code that your AI assistant wrote. And it can be really hard to review because the changes are usually massive. And again, there is no way to validate it incrementally. But imagine if you have few instances of an agent. One of them writes code, another reviews, and the third one checks if the result matches the spec. So your chaotic vibes turn into a professional developer's workflow. And that's what Claude skill called Superpowers can do for you. And to install this skill into the Claude Code, you need just two commands. First, register the marketplace, and then install the plugin itself. You can verify it worked by running /help. And you should see new commands like /superpowers brainstorm or write plan or execute plan. Superpowers also work with codecs, but this will require manual setup. You can check the README of the repo for platform-specific setup. And the best part, once installed, the skill will activate automatically. You don't need to remember special commands or prompts. Just start describing what you want to build, and Superpowers will guide Claude into a proper workflow. So how does Superpowers do their magic? It implements a complete developer workflow in 7 phases, and let's walk through them. The first phase is brainstorming. When you tell Claude what you want to build, instead of jumping into the implementation, it will activate the brainstorming skill. It asks clarifying questions, explores the alternatives, and refines your rough idea into a solid design document. It can also present design in chunks, so you can actually read and validate each section. And the second phase is Git Worktree. Once you approve the design, the Git Worktree skill activates. It creates an isolated workspace on a separate branch, runs your project setup, and verifies you have a clean baseline before the development starts. This way you can avoid polluting your main branch with all the experimental code. And the third phase is writing plans. And here where writing plan skill comes. It breaks your project into smaller tasks, each taking few minutes to complete. Every task includes file path, code expectations, and verification steps. It's like having a project manager that creates you a perfect Jira task. And the phase 4 is execution. You can choose between two approaches. First, sub-agent-driven development. Here, Claude will dispatch a fresh sub-agent for each task and put it through two-phase review process. Or another one, executing plans workflow, that works through tasks in batches with a human review checkpoints. Either way, you get a systematic process with a quality control. And during the implementation, test-driven development skill will enforce classic red-green refactor style. Write a failing test, watch it fail, write minimal code, watch it pass, and then refactor and commit. And if Claude Code will try to write the code before the test, then this skill will make it delete the code and start again. And between the tasks, the code review skill will activate. It will review the work against the plan and report the issues by severity. and critical issues will block the progress until they are solved. It is like having a senior software engineer continuously reviewing your work. And finally, when tasks are complete, finishing a development skill will verify tests, present you options to merge, create a PR, and clean up the workspace. Going through all these phases helps you to write the code professionally instead of just babysitting chaotic AI. And what makes Superpowers really special is not just the workflow, it's the philosophy behind it. Everything starts with tests. It's not the "oh, we will add tests later" thinking, but the actual test-driven development. It also includes the anti-pattern reference to help Claude to avoid the common testing mistakes. And when things go wrong, there is a systematic debugging skill with a 4-phase root cause process. No more random print statements and guessing the cause of the issue. Claude will follow the disciplined approach to find and fix the bugs. And Superpowers also takes care of complexity reduction. It will push Claude to build the simplest thing that works, not the most clever or over-engineered solution. And perhaps the most important, evidence over claims principle. Claude must verify that it actually works before declaring the success. And these principles turn your AI agent into a professional development system. So if you are serious about AI-assisted development or tired of babysitting your AI agent, then you need to check out Superpowers. I'll link the repo in the description below the video. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thank you and see you in the next videos.